Oh my goodness. Check this out. What? Now, I'm not gonna lie, black is really nice, but red, it's just so much better.
No way.
I just get an email from Speed Tech. The order has... Woo! Okay, hold on. I said I was going to do it. Something huge just happened. You guys did it. I gotta deliver upon my promise. This makes no sense, but let's get to the next clip. That will make a lot of sense. Oh, we gotta stop. This lovely 335 that we have completely transformed is finally getting a single turbo kit. I hit up Speed Tech. They sent me the invoice. I grabbed my phone, put in my card info. What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
Thankfully, it was nothing crazy. After a calm, lovely phone call with my bank, we figured it out. Turns out they've noticed I've been spending way too much money on a slow, old BMW, and they don't know why. Okay, I know we're only 1 minute into the video, but who cares? Later on in the video, we're gonna talk about the sponsor even more, but we're sponsored by Alpha One from Beamer Tech.
Yeah, are you excited about the speakers? You're excited about the speakers?
Alpha One by Beamer Tech offers all-around premium quality speakers and amplifiers from Minis and BMWs. And the great thing is, everything is tailored specifically for your car. Where's the Beamer? I get it, where's the Beamer? They're made from premium materials, and they also offer a 2-year warranty. So, back to the video, you're gonna see it later on. Let's go. Okay, nobody's here, all right. We said we were gonna end the series.
Oh, we ain't stopping nothing, my God.
Are you sure you want to keep it going? I mean, there's only one thing we have left to do. This is huge. Here's the thing. We got the turbo kit. While we wait, we have to make this interior even cooler. What's cooler than a black interior? Okay. We're the man of the people. If that's what they want to see, let's give it to them.
Let's go.
You know what, we're going to end the series, but while we wait for the turbo kit to come in, as you guys saw, we purchased the turbo kit. We need to top off this interior, absolutely make it crazy. Right now, it is next level from when we started. We need to pick it up to the next level, and that, oh, there he is. Tell him what we're doing, my guy. Tell him what we're doing. Does these cold start? Sounds incredible, but turns out it is broken once again. That right there, yeah, that's oil. One thing I have been seeing is a lot of you want me to get bucket seats for the car. I've never really understood it, but let's give it a try. Right off the bat, I don't want to know what else you guys are into. Just very strange, kinky, y'all are weird. But we decided to keep trying. Oof, much better. This feels much better. I mean, I do sit a lot higher. I feel a little bit less safe. There isn't really a backrest, but I can see myself just chilling like this. But let's go ahead and test it on the road, because we gotta see if it's road ready. Like, oh shoot. Oh! My back. As I sat there in disgrace, I'm very sad that the first option you guys wanted didn't work. And then I thought of the perfect idea. A white BMW with red interior is the pinnacle of perfection. And look at all these comments. Okay, if you're watching it right now, comment below red guts. Let's confuse those that don't know. It's always sad. Now we're going to get rid of the very last thing that's keeping this car pretty much how I got it, and that is obviously the black interior. Goodness, check this out. What? All right, we have an issue though. So you know how I just took apart the interior? I have yet to find a red interior for this car. No one in Florida is selling red interior for the E92 platform. What do? We go to Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. The first stop we went to find the perfect red interior for this car was the jungle, which then led us to ziplining. Sadly, we had no luck. No red interior for the car. But I got a call from a friend, and he told me exactly where the red interior was. But the way to get there was just very strange. We had to get into buggies and go through full-on mud. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty fun, but then that led us to a random boat in the middle of the beach. We had to get on it, no questions asked. and then bam, I'm in the air and I am terrified of heights.
Honey, this is really high, 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 this is really high.
Can you stop?
Yo, this is so high. Oh my gosh. I want my BMW.
We were so high up, the next part of the mission was to grab the airplane's wing and fly back to Florida to get the red interior. That BMW right there on the truck, yeah, that's the BMW that has our interior, and this is a full-on Fast and Furious heist mission.
Bueno, sí. Camina. Rico, rico.
Alright, I'll just go ahead and tell you guys the real story. We drove 2.5 hours away to Tampa, Florida because we found an E92 that is being parted out with red interior. Along with the interior, I did notice the car was an LCI model, so we got new LCI taillights for the car. Super excited. This is what the back of a car looks like, full of red interior.
We got a sponsor. And along with a sponsor, we got some pretty sick interior parts. If you don't know what this is the incredible Alpha 1 speaker set from the sponsor of today's video, BeamerTech. BeamerTech is a website that allows you to buy things for your BMW, Supra, and even other cars. Things like a speaker set that we just received, new infotainment systems, Apple CarPlays, whole bunch of retrofits, pretty much everything. Actually, I'm gonna leave the link to that website in the description. Browse through it, look for things for your BMW, and I'll also leave the link to something that we're gonna be unboxing right now. Ooh. DIY Essentials. Oh, what? Are y'all seeing how sick this is? No, what? I actually had no idea this is coming in the package. That's sick. So these are all the essentials you need for this install. There we go. Hallelujah. Oh, and these are actually the subwoofers that go under the seats. Check these out. Oof, YouTube creators. Here we got the second box. And obviously these are the rest of the speakers. We freaking did it. In front of me we have a very, very dirty E92 red interior for the car. And as you guys saw, we also went ahead and pulled off the LCI tail light. We do need a little harness which I have to order, and we do need the little trunk light. Very clean. Let's clean this leather because it is very dirty and we gotta bring it back to life. Let's go. Musty, crusty, slimy, red BMW seat. Needs more repairing. So you can see we finished cleaning it, but right here, I'm not happy with the results. This is like almost gone, and I feel like I got scammed out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy red BMW seat dye, and that should make the seat look way better. So we're gonna do it before we throw it in the car. But hey, we got the red interior. We already paid for it. Now we gotta make this look as good as possible. Let's go. Let's be honest though. Satin white car with some red guts. Now, I'm not gonna lie, black is really nice, but red, it's just so much better. Something we have been waiting for, and I had to pay extra to get it just in time, just arrived, and that is, here we go. Leather repair. We had to order this for obvious reasons. So the main thing we're gonna do is use the dye on the seat to make it look nice and decent, you know, pretty good, because that ain't acceptable. And then I'm gonna go ahead around the trim areas, because there's a few things like the door cards that do need a little bit of dye.
Dump in the jump. Top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the fields. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive. Angry black man with a passion. Steady grip while I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Trying line with the leaf, then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth, me get bed with the right. Love at first sight, art over hype. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, couldn't kick it. I'm in love with the fine print scribble.
I think I'm done. This is the driver's side seat. So you can see, it looks a ton better. I mean,
The only part that's annoying me is that part right there, but other than that part, the seat looks extremely good.
I'm gonna stop right here. I feel like I'm just wasting my time painting and painting and painting, and it's not really getting any better than it is right now. I do have to find a red seat for the front. Passenger side is good enough. Driver's side, it's okay, but it's not great.
Wrist thing and they rose gold and right to go from it. Couldn't pinpoint on the globe, so I wanted to go from it. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything, yeah, everything, yeah, everything, yeah, everything, yeah, everything, yeah, everything, yeah, everything, yeah. I got my eyes low as the sky falls, where the rhyme floats. I don't really know. Just what we might
By the way, this whole kit is plug and play, which is pretty awesome.
go with the mind scope. So many things I never learned with my eyes closed. Too busy with the schemes on the telling of my dreams on the rail, the grind like my life.
Putting the red interior in the 892 was actually really fun. Front seats, I would honestly give it a good 8 out of 10. And the rest of the car, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. The interior was mint. And now's a good time to look back and just see how far this car has come. It is absolutely nuts how much we have been able to transform this car.
First pulls in the red guts. Let's go. Woo! Yo, this car's fast. I just want to say thank you all. This BMW, I say it every single video because I mean it and it is just true. It has officially turned into my dream BMW. Right now, when I first bought this car, this is the vision that I always wanted for it. Satin white, clean, very, very, very new supercar style interior. And we're there. It would have been completed. It is completed, but of course, we now have a huge, massive project ahead of us for this car, and it is the turbo kit that will be here anytime. All right, you guys already know the drill. We got a surprise Cristobal, the boss herself. Here we go. By the way, she hasn't seen anything.
No way.
That looks insane. What?
How insane does this look?
Well, it looks totally crazy. Like, it looks so different, but the feel.
They're so comfortable, right?
Yeah.
So these are the comfort seats, and the black interior had the sport seats.
And look at the door panel.
You already know we got red guts. Not trying to show off or anything, you know. It's crazy how far this car has come since we got it, right?
Oh my goodness.
It's a complete different animal. What do you think out of 10?
I want to give it an
8. Oh, we gotta choose the speakers. We did put new speakers. Shout out to Beamer Tech. I'm gonna let you choose the first song that we listen to in this video. Better not choose a stupid song. I'm just saying. Sounds good, right?
That's a perfect song to test today's system. This sounds so good.
Crazy. My turn!
When it's gone, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. You did wrong, so wrong, so wrong.
That was good. Alright, if you made it to the end of this video, you cannot make this up. So, as I'm filming the interior, I just get an email from Speed Tech. The order has been shipped and is on the way. So, I believe this is the turbo that's on the way because they already shipped things out on Friday. Right now, it is Sunday. So, let's freaking go. My Germany fam, my English fam, from the UK, from across the pond, my US fam, my Cuban fans, all my family out there, freaking love you guys. Canada, everywhere, I love you. I'll see you guys next time. Peace! Nos vemos, amigo. Mi nombre es Danny. stop, you're going. 2007, you're buying a white BMW. That's the color of choice. You're speccing it out. Are you gonna spec it out with a black interior? You're not. You're weird if you do. We're not friends. Go away. Are you speccing it out with the red interior leather seats? Yes, you are.